In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your email to the inbox using Mailchimp in 2025. Now, sending emails that actually make it to your subscribers' inbox, instead of ending up lost in the spam folder, is crucial for any successful email campaign. We're going to dive into how you can enhance your email delivery rates by following some key steps and best practices. First, let's talk about building a strong reputation. This is fundamental when it comes to email deliverability. Your reputation affects how email service providers like Gmail or Yahoo see your emails. A good reputation is built on trust, which means always getting explicit permission from your subscribers. Every person on your email list should have clearly opted in to receive communications from you. Not only is this a best practice, but it's also a requirement to ensure that people are willing to engage with your content. Speaking of content, it's important to send relevant content. Your audience looks forward to emails that are valuable and engaging. Consistent quality content keeps them interested and encourages interaction, both of which signal to email providers that your messages are welcomed and wanted. Next up is list maintenance. Keeping your email list clean is pivotal. This means regularly removing inactive subscribers. While it might seem counterproductive to eliminate people from your list, optimizing for engagement over sheer number of subscribers improves your deliverability. Let's not forget about your subject line. This needs to be clear, concise, and representative of your email's content. A misleading or vague subject line can lead to higher spam rates, which subsequently affects your email's chance of making it to the inbox. Another technical but crucial step is domain authentication. Authenticating your domain verifies to recipients that your emails are legitimately from you, not from a spammer. This simple technical step can separate your emails from the crowd. To do this using Mailchimp, start by going to Mailchimp's website and logging into your account. Once inside, navigate to your profile icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. From there, head over to Account and Billing, then to Domains. Click on Add and Verify Domain. Following these prompts will ensure your domain is authenticated. To wrap things up, I have a few bonus tips for you. First, make sure you warm up your domain. This means gradually increasing the volume of emails you send to build your sending reputation. Providing an easy unsubscribe option is essential too. This helps prevent spam complaints, as it allows those who no longer wish to receive your emails to easily opt out. Lastly, always ensure that your emails are mobile friendly. With so many people checking emails on their phones, mobile optimization cannot be overlooked. By following these guidelines, you'll dramatically increase your chances of landing in the inbox where you belong. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help your emails reach their intended audience.